What is going on YouTube? We are back with another video, and today in the title, as you've seen, the car has been wrapped. I'm pretty sure this isn't the same video, but today we're going to be putting on the fenders and, well, the fender and the rear bumper. So let's get this new bumper and this new fender on the car. It's just gonna have to ride around black for 2 days. Only reason I'm doing it 2 days early is because I will be at work tomorrow, and then the car goes early in the morning Saturday. So let's just get this work done. Just like that, we got the rear bumper on, and we got the fender. Everything's lined back up. I ended up having to switch the little plate under here to the one that was on the car because they are different. So yeah. I don't know of how much y'all are gonna see of the process of me actually wrapping the car on the YouTube side, but the Instagram side, we're doing a series on wrapping the car. So make sure y'all go ahead and follow at 6SPEED on YouTube, and go ahead and like, comment, subscribe over here, and follow on Instagram. So yeah, you get the filler content there. But like I said, we're doing a series over there. So yeah, but here's the car. We got it all sanded down. Everything's smooth now. As you see, it's still dusty. Reason why we're at the car wash, because you gotta wash the car before you get it wrapped. Even though we're in pollen season, so it's probably gonna have to get wiped down at the shop as well. We got all of this smoothed out, as y'all see. It looks pretty good. Doors, we got all the dents out of the doors now. There was a major dent here. It's still a little dent, but hey, it looks a lot better than what it did. I took the spoiler off. Turns out that this was not a OEM spoiler on this car. This was an aftermarket. Well, it was an OEM spoiler, but somebody, obviously, that's way off center, and then that one's a perfect hole, but it doesn't matter. Spoiler, like I said, is in here. And yeah, if y'all follow the Instagram, you already know what color I'm wrapping the car. YouTube, you really don't. I don't think so. I don't know if I posted a short or not, but I'm about to go ahead and wash this car. I'm not gonna record it, but I'm just gonna. All right, so we just got it all washed up. We're gonna dry her down, or try our best to dry her down. Only spot I'm not liking is this. I guess that's from like the gas and stuff from hitting the thing, but we're gonna dry her down and then see what she's looking like after that, and then we'll be headed over to the shop. Probably go get me something to eat first. But yeah, remember, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe if y'all not liked, comment, and subscribed already. I don't even know if I should have said that right, but go ahead and subscribe and like the video. Leave a comment, fire emoji, because this is gonna be fire. Don't just skip to the end of the video, man, to see the color. Don't do that, because I'll mess around and not even put the color in this video. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, make sure I go ahead and subscribe. Dry this car down, and we're gonna head over to the shop. YouTube, it has been at least 8 or 9 hours, but the car is not fully done. You might have thought it was done, but well, it's not fully done. Got doors left, side skirts, and spoiler, and then the Nismo skirts for the rear that are left. But this is as far as we've gotten so far. I ended up doing a trunk, and they have been knocking out the bigger stuff. So just stay tuned. We're getting there. We will be done with it tomorrow for sure. But yeah. And guys, the wrap is done. We're currently looking at it. It looks crazy to me because I'm so used to seeing the car in white, but the car is now green. YouTube, I put this rear diffuser on here from a Q50. Let me know how y'all like it. Pretty crazy. So guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. I do have to say one thing. I want to go with, I think I'm gonna black this out, both of these. I might leave the badge chrome, but I would definitely want to black these two out and see how that looks. And I want to get a new headlight for it. So I appreciate it. It just got out the shop. Yeah. But I want to black those out, and then headlights, and then maybe new wheels in the future, and then yeah.